Greetings, fellow football lovers. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. I'm well, guys. I'm good, guys. Okay, guys. My name is Devos Kosana, and this is my channel. This is a platform where we discuss all things football, ranging from local football, continental football, European football, and international football. Okay, so on this video, we'll be previewing the match between AmaZulu Football Club and the Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club in the Betway Premiership in South Africa, right? The Betway Premiership is a professional league in South Africa. So the match is taking place tomorrow on Tuesday, the 24th of December. 24th of December 2024. The match is taking place in KwaZulu Natal at 3 o'clock. Meaning this is a home game. This is a home match for the AmaZulu Football Club, okay? All right, so let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Let's preview the match. Okay, as I've already stated, the match is taking place on the 24th of December at 3 o'clock in KwaZulu Natal, right? Okay. Then let's look at their form. So we'll start with the home team because in this instance, the AmaZulu Football Club is a home team. It's a hosting team, right? So let's look at their form in the past 5 matches, right? In their past 5 matches, AmaZulu, they've won 3 and lost 2, of which is not a bad form for AmaZulu, considering how they started the season and how the new co-coaches found the team. The new co-coaches, I'm referring to Coach Atazwan and Coach Vosmos Vilakazi, right? Okay, so on the 13th of December, okay, let's start at the 25th of October. AmaZulu played against Orlando Pirates in Johannesburg, and AmaZulu lost 2-1, right? Then on the 29th of October, the AmaZulu played Chippa United at home, and they won 2-0, right? Then on the 30th of November, they played against Richards Bay away. They won 3-1. Then on the 7th of December, they played against TX Galaxy away in Mpumalanga, and they lost 1-0 to TX Galaxy. Then on the 13th of December, meaning their last match, they played against Royal AM at home, and they won 2-1, right? Meaning out of possibly 15 points, AmaZulu collected how many points? 9 points, right? Which is not a bad thing, right? Then let's look at the Mamelodi Sundowns form in their past 5 matches. In their past 5 matches, Mamelodi Sundowns, they played 5 games. They won 3 and drew 2. Dating back from the 26th of November, Mamelodi Sundowns played against Maniema Union in the CAF Champions League. The Maniema Union is a team from the Democratic Republic of Congo. It was in the CAF Champions League, and Mamelodi Sundowns were the hosts. They played to a disappointing goalless draw. Then on the 30th of November, Mamelodi Sundowns played against Kukuna United in the league, and they won 3-0 at home. Then the 7th of December, Mamelodi Sundowns went to visit FA Rabat in Morocco, and they played to a 1-1 draw in the CAF Champions League. Then on the 15th of December, Mamelodi Sundowns hosted Raja Casablanca of Morocco in the CAF Champions League, and the Mamelodi Sundowns won 1-0. Then on the 18th of December, their last match, they played away to Stellenbosch. It was a Betway Premiership match. It's a league match. They won 1-0 away to Stellenbosch. Okay. Then let's look at the head-to-head, right, in the last 5 matches between AmaZulu and Mamelodi Sundowns. On the out of those 5 games, Mamelodi Sundowns, they've won 3, AmaZulu won 1, and they drew 1, right? Meaning AmaZulu on the 20th of December 2021, they won 1-0 against Mamelodi Sundowns. They were the host. They were playing at home. Then 18th of December 2022, Mamelodi Sundowns won 1-0 against AmaZulu. Mamelodi Sundowns were playing at home. Then the 3rd of May 2023, AmaZulu played to it, and Mamelodi Sundowns, they played to a 2-2 draw away in KZN. AmaZulu, the host team. Then the 6th of December 2023, AmaZulu lost 1-0 to Mamelodi Sundowns. AmaZulu were playing at home. And 27th of February 2024, the last match between the two teams, Mamelodi Sundowns won 3 against AmaZulu. They were playing at home in Pretoria, right? So let's look at the log. Mamelodi Sundowns are currently number 1 on the log. After 9 games, they've got 24 points. They've played 9 matches. They won 8, drew 0, and lost 1 match, right? AmaZulu are position 13. After 8 games, they've played 8 games. They've only won 3 matches. They are only on 9 points, right? this is the form the two teams are carrying into this match, right? So this match presents Mamelodi Sundowns an opportunity to open a further gap between themselves and the second position Orlando Pirates, because currently Mamelodi Sundowns are leading Orlando Pirates by 3 points, despite the fact that Orlando Pirates have got a game in hand. But this presents Mamelodi Sundowns an opportunity to stretch and extend their lead in the log, right? Let's wait and see. Let's enjoy the match. Guys, tell me on the comment section below. To tell me what do you think will happen. What do you think will be the final results? Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns will stretch their lead, or do you think AmaZulu will spring a surprise on Mamelodi Sundowns? Feel free to comment in the comment section below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to become part of the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Siyabonga.